did I just do? What did I just do? Alright, so we're in the we're in the bathroom and I'm recording on a different phone. I have this hair tie in my hair. See, I brushed my sides. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it up to a 2. I'm gonna bring it down to a 2. And we'll probably do a 1 up to here, right here. And do that around. And then maybe do like 0 down here to the 1 into the 2. That's what I'm thinking about. Like 0, 1, 2. So we'll see how that goes. Make turn spin to save 8. So got my clippers. Got these off Amazon wall. Nothing crazy, nothing too professional. They get the job done though. It has a lever, so this is really important. In my first few haircut videos, did not have a lever. So like getting the fade was really tough. This does have a lever though, so better for blending. How a lever works is you can see the guard, their blades here. Right now it's open. This is open. For this one, I'm pretty sure it's consistent. This is open. As I move this down, because it cuts more hair because the blades become closer. I'm pretty sure that's what that means. So this is closed, this is open. It cuts less hair. So generally, if I'm taking it down, I'm gonna do this first just because I want it to be short at the top, pretty short up here, not too short, just a 2. Then what I'm gonna do, you'll see, I'm gonna end up doing 1 open because it cuts less hair. Then as I close it, it cuts more hair. So that's how you achieve that gradient effect. You cut more and more. Close. So I kind of lowered it. It probably doesn't look too different to you right now, but I lowered it in most places. Mostly care about lowering it up here. As you can see, I got a little dandruff spot right here. Yeah. So usually what they say is to start with a guideline. So maybe I should do that. Let me try to do that. All right. I'm gonna take these. Cheers. So I see I put a little line here. Honestly, think it should be up a little bit higher. But because I never do it like this. I do it on the side. That's what we're looking like. So this is essentially the 0. Go up with the 1 into this 2. There is a 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with it open. Starting with it open to blend with the top because it's open, that means it cuts less hair, which means now the 1 is closer to a 2 than it is a 1, if that makes sense. It's cutting less hair. So now I'm gonna start with it open. I'm gonna work my way down to a closed one by slowly bringing this lever up and closing it. Okay, so that's how I'm gonna get that blend open. And just like that. I hope you saw it. I hope you were able to see. I'll do it on this side. It'll be easier for you to see. But this is like the best looking fade I've done. I'm not gonna lie. By starting with the Guideline, this is a real nice looking fade. Like sheesh. From this right into that. Isn't that cool? Ain't that a thing? Yeah. So now I'll do the other side. Starting with the one open. Alright, so that actually looks pretty good. I think I like the low light set right now. As far as like the shape and everything, looks pretty good to me. Now what I have to do is I need to blend it. And now I have to fade the back. That's the thing. Alright, 1 hour later, and I think this is just about the finished product. You know, as far as the fade goes, I'm about to line myself up and wash my hair, do a little retwist. I don't think you guys really need to see that. This is more about the cut. But yeah. My hair looks like, I mean, it's still kind of up, but you know, the thing is, my hair will cover the back too. It drops, so. You know, this later in the day, this is my other phone. But I just wanted to show you the results real quick. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe. I hope you like the vibe. Stay up, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.